everyone, and welcome back to my channel, 0w0's. My name is Ash, and in this video I will be giving you a little tutorial on how to personify your PC desktop background. So this is going to be a little bit of a tutorial. I'm currently streaming. I'm not like on my main channel, so don't look for it. I'm just making this video so that I can show you guys how to make your desktop look pretty. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, so are you unsatisfied with how this looks with just a mishmash of colors completely going against the perfect theme that you have going on back here? Well, don't you worry, because we are gonna fix that. So the first thing that you need to do is gather up all the transparent PNGs that you want to replace all this junk, and then have it saved in a file. Now, here's how you do it. So just go on Google and type in Among Us PNG. So I'm gonna show you basically, if you don't already have all of your PNG files saved into an ICO file, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So we'll take this Among Us icon and look for transparent PNGs. All right. And so you just go down and just find a transparent PNG and then save it. So I don't want mine to be red, so I already have one saved, but I'll just show you how to do it just for the sake of the tutorial. So you save image as a PNG, and then you go to ICO convert. So once you get to the page, just go ahead and click the picture that you downloaded and upload it. Here it is. And then we are just gonna have it be a square background. If you want it heart-shaped or circular shape, by all means you can pick this, but for right now we're just going with the square, because all of this is gonna be transparent anyways, so it doesn't really matter. And then you're just gonna select all of these boxes and then convert to ICO and download your icons. And now that your icon is downloaded, it should be in your download section. So you go ahead and right click on the icon you want to change, hit properties, change icon, browse, and then you click this new icon file that we just made and open it up, click OK and apply, and there you go, it changes. Properties, change icon, browse, here's the pink one because I have a pink layout, and bam, that's how you do it. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and change all of this and make it all look pretty. Alright, and now that our computer is looking nice and aesthetic, you are now done. And that brings us to the end of the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below what you'd like to see next, and hit that red subscribe button for more quality content from yours truly. And if you found this tutorial to be helpful, please let me know how you decorated your desktop. Bye! Love you. Mwah.